it's Larry and welcome to 2 Minute Tips. So let's get going. So if you go up on the Ancestry menu and you click on Extras, all right, it has Ancestry Academy and there's a lot of great videos here. And there are these 5-minute finds, and I'm going to tell you, these are really good. And one of my favorites is this myth, Three Brothers Come to America video. Now, I'm going to forward here to about the 36-minute mark. We're just going to kind of watch this together.
Has failed. If you listen to enough family stories, you will hear the one about the three brothers who
I've
came
had
to
that
America,
three brothers
and
in
each
my
went in a
family
different
number
direction.
one. And you
And
probably
there's
may have
usually
had
one
it
that is
too.
never heard from again.
Yep, one was
Now,
never heard from.
why would you want to have a healthy bit of skepticism about this particular story? Imagine it's the year 1850 or 1750.
This is really good.
You and two of your brothers sail from Ireland or Germany with little money but lots of hope to the New World. And you don't know anybody. What are the chances that you and your brothers get off the boat, shake hands, and say, "It's been good knowing you," and head off in different directions? Not likely.
I don't know who this is, but I definitely want to meet her because I laughed so hard at that. I needed a laugh that day, and that really helped. And many of us have had this story. So here's my Basie family, the Book of Basie. And look right here. Can you see that really clearly? It says the three brothers. It is common and widespread report among the members of the family that three brothers. So in many, many stories, just like they lay out in that 5-minute tip video, the 5-minute finds, usually that's when they get to 3 different names and they can't get them to merge together. And they give some examples in that video. So check out the 5-minute finds over on Ancestry. There's some great ones. Again, if you've got a 3-brother story, let me know down in the comments below. I have one in the Basie family, as you can see here. Maybe you have one too. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the 5-minute finds over on Ancestry and the other videos in Ancestry Academy. They're really good. I think you'll find them useful.